A very pleasant morning to all the lovely children. In your today's ICT class, we'll be starting with a new chapter. Okay, in the past chapter, we learned about the computer, which is a machine, and why is it a smart machine. Right now, today we'll be learning about the wonderful uses of computer. Uses of computer. How computer is so useful to us. What are all the things that we can do using a computer. Okay, so today we are going to begin with chapter number 2, uses of a computer. I repeat, uses of a computer. Okay, what do you think you can do on computer? Can you listen to the music on a computer? Yes, you can. Can you play games on computer? Yes, you can. Can you do drawing and coloring on the computer? Yes. Can you type some text on the computer? Yes, you can. Can you get some knowledge? Can you get some information from the computer? Yes, again. Can you solve sums using a computer? Yes. So these all wonderful things or activities can be done using a computer. So let's see what all we can do on a computer. Let's read it. A computer is a wonderful and useful machine. Useful machine. It helps us to do many things. Let us know. K-N-O-W. Here K is silent, so we will read it as know. Let us know the uses of a computer. Okay, I repeat, a computer is a wonderful and useful machine. It helps us to do many things. So let us know the uses of a computer. Number 1 is drawing and coloring pictures. Yes, you can draw and color pictures on a computer. There are different applications loaded in the computer with the use of which you can draw and color the pictures. Okay, let's read it. You can draw. D-R-A-W, draw. You can draw and color pictures by using a mouse. With the help of a mouse, you can draw and color the pictures, right? Next one is playing games. You can play games on the computer. Let's read. You can play games like car racing, building blocks. This word is building. Building blocks, etc. dot. It means etc. We read it as etc. On a computer. You can play games like car racing, building blocks, etc. means many more like this on a computer. So one thing which you can do is drawing and coloring. Other thing is playing games on computer. Now let's read the next one is storing information. Storing means saving or keeping information, data. You can store your information on it. For example, when you gave tests, I store all the marks of all the children on the computer. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm storing the information or I'm storing the data. Okay, let's read about it. Whatever work you do on a computer can be saved and stored. Whatever work you do on a computer, whatever you write or whatever you do on a computer, it can be saved. If you write something here, it can be saved. If you are listening to a music, it can be saved. If you are watching something, that can be saved. Okay, anything can be saved. So computer can be used to store information. Next one is typing text. Typing text. Now, what is typing text? You can write anything here, right? You can write anything on the computer which can be saved here. You can write stories or letters. Okay, let's read. You can use computers to write letters and stories. Okay, you can write letters and story, and then you can store it also. Next one is using the internet. Now, what is internet? Internet is something which joins, people sitting at different places. For example, I teach you through online classes. How do I teach you? Because there is internet. Internet connects you and me. So internet is something which is used for many things. Okay, it can be used for entertainment. You can download movies or songs, you can download games. Okay, so internet is used to, let's read, you can use internet for entertainment. This word is long, so read carefully. Entertainment. Entertainment and booking tickets online. So you can use internet for entertainment and booking tickets. Like if you want to book tickets for the train or airport or air flights, or movie, you can do it using the internet. Next one is gaining knowledge. Knowledge means information. For example, if you want to have knowledge about the computer, if you want to have knowledge about anything, about this COVID, or any knowledge, you can get it from the computer. Gaining means getting knowledge. You can use computer to study different subjects. Also, you can study any subject. You want to gain knowledge about EVS, English, maths, computer, Hindi, Punjabi, anything, you can get all the knowledge from here. Next page is solving sums. You can solve sums and do calculations. What do you mean by calculations? Adding, subtracting, this is all called calculations. So you can solve the difficult sums on the computer, and you can do any calculation very fast on computer. It does all the calculations very fast. So you can solves on the computer. Next one is listening to music. You can listen music on the computer. You can listen to music stored on a computer. If there is a music stored on the computer, you can hear it, or you can download using it. You can download the music using internet. Next one is watching cartoons and movies. Yes, you can also watch movies and cartoons like Spider-Man, Tom and Jerry, etc. on a computer. You can watch movies and cartoons on a computer. Next is sending emails. Now, what is email? Email, I usually tell you na, send your homework on an email, है ना? So you send me your text, you send your text to me. When I want to send you any message, I can send it through the email. I email you, it will come to you on your computer. Okay, if you want to send me any message, you can email me. So email is used to sending and receiving message. Sending and receiving. Receiving means getting. Let's read it here. You can send and receive. Receive means getting. You can send and receive messages quickly and chat with friends anywhere in the world using email. Okay, you can send and receive message quickly, and you can also chat with your friends anywhere in the world. If I am sitting here, you are sitting in America, I can send you a message, I can chat with you on messages or on email. Okay, so this is the use of email. So these are all the uses of computer. Let's revise. Drawing and coloring picture, playing games, storing information, typing text, using the internet, gaining knowledge, solving sums, listening to music, watching cartoons and movies, sending emails. These are all the uses. Go through all these pages again, read all the uses once again on your own. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.